Okay, so stem and leaf is what we're going to do today. So this is 10.6. So we're flying through this here. This once again is kind of junior cert stuff. You shouldn't be too thrown out by it. But basically, all stem and leaf is it's a way to represent data, like a bar chart or a histogram or whatever. Okay, as you could see here, what type of data is this? This is discrete data. Yeah, continuous would have every thing in here, but these are all whole numbers. Okay, so let's go through this and let's get this done. Here was our data piece. So I think this is question. I robbed this from question 2. Yeah, so 2 on page 400. So I'm running through this and I'm going, okay, here's all our pieces of information. I've got to get through this. So it starts off in single digits. So 0. So we got 0, 0. Here, I can tick that as I go. Next one. Well, first of all, I've reordered it. You always reorder it. It's easier. It makes life so much easier. So just reorder it. Okay, we got 0, 1. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 4, 6, goes in twice, 7, 8. Okay, then we've got 1, 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, 7, 8. Okay, 8, 9. When you're reordering this, just make sure you got the same numbers here as here. It's just about being sure, I suppose. So 5, 6. So this is easy. This is junior cert stuff here right at the moment. That's 3, 1, 1, 2. Okay, that's our stem and leaf. Almost done. The key here. So if I look at question 2, it says how many CDs they owned. So if I just choose a random one, any single one, I would go 2 line 3 equals 23 CDs. Okay, that's all it is. Now, 2 line 3 and a different one might represent 2.3 milliliters of water or something like that. Okay, so working this out, this is like this. That's done. That's the easy part of it. Now, if I said how many people had more than 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on, that's basic. What's the median number? The median number would then be, so if I'm looking here, I'm going to get through as much as possible here. The median number is n plus 1 over 2. So how many students? There is 24 students. So 24 plus 1 over 2, therefore that is 12.5. So we go to 12th and the 13th. Okay, make sure that you don't get confused with what we did yesterday, where it's different to, I'm just trying to remember, yeah, the percentile. Yeah, percentile was a thing where it's different. If it's 12.5, you go to 13th. This is just different. Okay, so therefore the median is the 12th and the 13th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 15 plus 17 over 2, which is 16. That's the median. Circle it to make sure you're showing what you're doing. Interquartile range would be n plus 1 over 4. Q3 would be n plus 1 over 4. We already know n plus 1 is going to be 24 plus 1, so it's 25 over 4. That is 6.25. 6th and 7th. So Q1 is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 plus 7 over 2, 6.5. Okay, so making my work here clear that that's the answer. And this here is 6.25 multiplied by 3. That is going to be 18.25, so therefore 18th and 19th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's Q3 is 21 plus 23 over 2. therefore is 22. IQ range, Q3 minus Q1. The more times you write it out, the less likely you are to forget. 22 minus 6.5. That is 15.5. That's a measure of spread. If I was asking you for range will be top, 32 minus 0, 32. If I was asking you for median, you got 16. If I was asking you for mode is the most common. So the most common is 6, 14, 18 and 21. So the mode would be 6, 14, 18 and 21. The mean would be simple. Add them all up and divide by 24. Okay? A lot of this is simple. If they were asking for the percentile here, you would just do the exact same. So percentile 60, you go 60 over 100 multiplied by, what is it, 24? Yes. So that would be 2.4 by 6. Let me just get that on my calculator or my phone. 2.4 multiplied by 6. That's 14.4. If we go back to yesterday when we're looking at the percentiles, this is like the only thing that's going to trip you up on this chapter is realizing that you have to go to the 15th for this or something like that. So P60 would be the 15th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is 18. Line around it, showing that we know what we're doing. Now, if I was doing a back-to-back stem and leaf diagram, okay, it's for comparison reasons. One thing, if I had just a number in here, hypothetically speaking, 62, I'd have to go 4, 5, 6, and I would go 6, 2 like that. Okay? Why would I do that? To show it's an outlier. Now, I'm just putting that in as an example. Now, if I had two pieces of data and I had to do them back to back, I would do the exact same here. I'd reorder it, and then this would be data set 1, this would be data set 2. Okay? And I would fill in, let's say it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Yes, you want to do it in order as well. 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 4. You want to have the same gaps between each one. 4, 2, 3, 1, 1, 6, 2. So what could you tell? These were maybe exam results. What can you tell? That the majority of these are in this area. The majority of these are in the middle area, so the average results are better. Your data set will show you that with the mean, the mode, the median anyway. But you can tell visually, and people like visual stuff like this, that this group did better. Group 2 did better than Group 1. It's like a bar chart flipped onto the sides. Okay, so homework. We're going to go page 400, and we're going to give you the following. There's 10 questions. I'm going to leave it up to you guys actually to see. Some of you might need to start off, but 40 minutes as usual. Okay, put into Teams. Any questions, email. Okay, good work.